Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. We are excited to have you join us once again as we delve into the world of pixie haircuts for women. In this video, you will enjoy a delicious display of amazing pixie look ideas that will leave you in a way.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't
From
wanna waste what's left.
beautiful pixie haircuts to luxurious transformation, we have got a variety of stunning styles to inspire your next hair adventure. So without further ado, let's dive into the magic of pixie hair.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and
Let's explore the captivating kingdom of hairstyles. Today we have a classic and special treat for you as we delve into the fascinating world of pixie haircuts. Pixie cuts have been a timeless and versatile option for women who want to make a bold statement with their hair. In this video, you will showcase a too much of pixie haircut ideas that will blow your mind. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the fashion journey with us. And prepare to be amazed.
no, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create.
Get ready to be amazed by the incredible variety of pixie haircuts that we have in store for you. From short pixie cuts to chic style, we have something for everyone. Pixie haircuts are known for their ability to bring out the best features of a person's face and exudes confidence and individuality. Whether you prefer classic pixie or a more trend twist on styling, you will find plenty of inspirations here. As you watch this video, you will be amazed at the versatility of pixie haircuts. We will be showcasing various types of pixie cuts. Each style offers a unique and beautiful look, allowing you to express your personality and style. Whether you have fine, curly, or straight hair, there is a pixie haircut that will suit you perfectly.
Just a thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands.
One of the most exciting features of this video is witnessing the incredible transformation that can be achieved through a pixie cut.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on
We will feature live women who have undergone stunning makeovers, going from long locks to pixie cuts. These transformations are a testament to the power of a haircut to enhance appearance and boost self-esteem and confidence. We will explore the pixie haircut that have taken the world by storm. We will delve into the latest trends in pixie haircuts and give you the inspiration you need to rock these styles like a star.
side.
Prepare to be amazed at the beauty and versatility of these pixie haircuts.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
While pixie haircuts themselves are captivating, we also want to draw your attention to the fascinating color contrast and creative designs that can be incorporated into a pixie hairstyle.
We'll go
Whether you go for vibrant highlights, natural colors, or even bold shades, the possibilities are endless. We will be showcasing stunning examples of pixie cuts that radiate sophistication. You will also be mesmerized by the cooperation of the color combinations that add depth and dimension to your haircut. These creative options can really elevate a pixie haircut and make a bold fashion statement.
finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
once again for joining us on this adventure. Always remember you are essentially beautiful. And with the perfect hairstyle, you possess the power to conquer the world.
Through the highways, till my shadow
We
turns to
hope
sun
you're enjoying the
rays.
video so far. If you find any particular pixie haircut or transformation that catch your eyes, feel free to log below in the comment box. Your feedback is important to us and help us tailor our content to your preferences. But before we wrap up this video, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to all of you. Our amazing viewers, your continued support means a lot to us. And we are thankful for each and every one of you. Remember to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to never miss out on any of the exciting content. We are committed to bring you the latest trends, tips and inspiration to help you rock your pixie world. Your feedback is important to us and help us tailor our content to your preferences. So go forth with those brilliant short hairstyles with unshakable confidence, radiating your inner beauty. Thank you for gracing us with your presence today. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of the latest trends. See you in the next video.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on